Welcome back in another video. Today we are going to do some moody photography. As you know, I was not able to record in the rain for a long time because the weather in UK changes all the time. We're happy with the photos, to be honest. They are very moody and stuff like this, so just enjoy the video and please subscribe to my channel if you are new, because it helps me a lot. And basically that's it from my side. Enjoy the video. Okay guys, so we are back. I have the 85mm on me for now on, because the new lens which I got, the 50mm, I borrowed to my friend. He wanted to test it out, so I think this is gonna be anyway best option for me right now. 85mm 1.8, and let's take some pictures here. I want to avoid the Piccadilly and stuff, so I will go basically other place. I mean, like totally different way, and take some pictures. Here I can see the banger. Uh, 160 of the second at 1.8, 800 ISO. I will try to put all the settings anyway on the screen so you can see them. I'm thinking to change the white balance for a more blue tone. Let's see how is it gonna go. Probably didn't get it at all. Maybe I did. Another banger here. I'm waiting for the people to pass. Maybe it worked. Okay guys, unfortunately it isn't raining, but we can try to take some pictures here. I want the traffic to pass, because I can see some banger here. Maybe I can shoot it through the window. Yeah, this is a banger. Yeah. I'll take one more in portrait. I'll try to focus on the manually on the store behind the lady, and on the guy on the other side maybe as well. I'm shooting 200 of the second. .500 ISO f 1.8, and this is actually sick. I can see the banger here. I want to focus manually on the guy hand. Where is the taxi? Hopefully you can see it in the screen. I'm shooting 100 of the second f 1.8 and 800 ISO. This is actually sick. Okay, you can see guys this extremely huge puddle here. I don't know if I'll be able to do something with it. Oh shit. That's what I was trying to avoid. But this is gonna be banger. Okay, let me take one more. I'll go extremely low. I don't know if I get anything. Maybe I'll take one more in the landscape. Put the camera extremely low and shoot. Okay, 250 of the second at 1.8800 ISO. This is a banger here. Almost got killed by another bus. All the settings, like I said, you will have on the screen. So I'm trying to focus on the photos instead of talking. So let's see how is it gonna go. Okay guys, I see this cool bus here. Cool lights, Christmas lights. I'll take some photo here in the landscape. I'll use the flexible spot focus, so I can choose whenever I want to focus. Settings 125 in the second, 640 ISO. And it was pretty shit, to be honest. Oh, there's no focus. Okay, this is the banger. Now focus on the bicycle. 180 of the second at 1.8, 800 ISO. Sorry, 640 of the ISO. Okay, the next photo I wanna take is the raindrops on the mirror from the motorcycle I mean. So I have to use the manual focus for it. I took a little bit back because I'm on the 85mm. And try to find like composition for it.
I know, but mostly when you build up,
Maybe I can get a little closer as well. Let me see how close I can get with the 85, to be honest. It's pretty close, to be honest. So one person to go back. Okay, let me see if it was worth. Okay, cool. Oh, this one is, to be honest, very nice. I focus properly on it. I can see another banger. Let me just change the settings quickly. Maybe 640 of the ISO and 160, 100 of the shutter speed. I wanna take this photo of this taxi with the blinking lights. I don't know if I got it. Yes, I did one. I'll tell you one more in the portrait, in the landscape I mean, with the same settings. Keep it low as possible. Even though this lady went through my frame, it's still sick, to be honest. and I like it. As you know, now it's after the rain, so I want to take the shots kind of like a raindrop stuff, but I need like bus stop for it or the car in good lighting and stuff like this. So let's find out. Maybe we can get something. And there is no raindrops, to be honest, because it's not raining. Maybe I have raindrops here. Yes, I have. So we can focus on them. With the buzz in the background, maybe? Fuck. Focus. I don't know if it worked. Hopefully it did. Let me put the GoPro a little bit higher. This is thick actually. And I will shoot with 1/800 ISO and f2.2. So I'll get a little bit more in focus.
Up and down the corner.
Maybe I can focus on her hand as well, on the lady over there. Yes, I did. Okay. To be honest, a little bit. I wanna focus on the bus driver, maybe somehow. Ah, fuck! I don't know if I get it because he had the lights on. Maybe I did. You can see on the screen. I think I did somehow. I need to practice, to be honest, with 1.8 manual focus because, as you know, I bought the Mikey 50mm and 1.2. I don't have it with me right now, but I wanna do the photos with it as well, so soon. And Mikey 50mm and 1.2 is fully manual. There is no autofocus, so I need to practice. Let me take the photo of this guy in the bus. Put the ISO to 500, for fuck's sake. I don't know if I get it. I think I did. Yes, I did. That's all for today's video. Please subscribe for my channel, and that's it. I'll see you in the next one. I'm your moody guy. Bye.